Hey guys, it's Juliet here. Welcome back to another video. Last time I made a long video was like a year ago, and I'm giving you guys a bandana video today, which I did like 3 years ago. So your girl's back. Uni took me away, but I am back. I got a degree and I'm back. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We all love a bandana, so let's get right into it. This is my all-time favorite. This is the simplest, most chic one. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs with our best moves, we get groovy. This one's for when you don't have a bubble or you just want to use a bandana. When we drive on by, they just can't deny it. They wanna be like us. Na, 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 drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we these are just a few quick and easy ones. If you want to see more, go to my previous videos where I made some on 4 locks and complete full braids, and check out more styles. But until then, hit the like, make sure you subscribe, because I got more and more videos coming for you guys. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here, what's up? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Pick a movie, I'll pick you up.